In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent background in Adobe Express. A transparent background is ideal for logos, product shots, thumbnails, or any image you want to place over different colors and layouts without a visible box around it. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. You can use the web version in a modern browser or the desktop app if you have it installed. A stable internet connection helps the tools load quickly, and most common image formats like JPG or PNG work well for this workflow. Next, make sure you're logged in. If you don't see your dashboard, sign into your account so your work saves automatically. The quick actions we're using are available on standard accounts, and logging in ensures your edits are stored with your projects. From the home area, look for the option to begin a fresh canvas. You might see a button labeled Start New Design or simply New Design. Clicking this takes you into the creation space and also reveals a panel of shortcuts designed to speed up common tasks. Find the Quick Actions section. This is where Adobe Express groups tools for one-click edits. Select Remove Background. This tool uses Adobe subject detection to cut out the main person or object and strip away everything else. It's fast, and it usually gets the subject right on the first pass. Now drag your image into the upload area. If the file is on your desktop or in a folder, click and hold it, then drop it onto the window when you see the upload highlight. Clear, high-contrast photos with the subject separate from the background tend to produce the cleanest cutouts. Give it a moment to process. You'll see the background disappear automatically. When the cutout appears, you'll notice a gray and white checkerboard behind your subject. That pattern indicates transparency. Zoom in to spot check edges like hair, fur, or fine product details. If you're seeing minor halos, try a crisper source image next time, or ensure the subject is well lit. The goal is a smooth outline with no leftover chunks of the original background. That's it. You've created a transparent background in Adobe Express using quick actions and the Remove Background tool. Your image is now ready to place over any color, gradient, or photo in your designs. Keep this workflow in mind for social graphics, e-commerce listings, or brand assets where a clean, professional cutout makes all the difference.